Hey guys, what's up? This is Manjeet here and welcome back to my channel. Today I know that you guys are basically angry with me because I haven't been posting videos for almost 2 months. And today I wanted to make this video because the OnePlus 7 is coming and I'm so excited guys, I'm so excited. I'm shooting it on my OnePlus6T right now and I can't wait to upgrade it to the OnePlus 7. So here are some key differences of the OnePlus6T and the OnePlus 7. So the main upgrades you guys are gonna get are the 3 camera setup, which will be on the back, and a pop-up selfie camera for the OnePlus 7 Pro, and also the 855 SoC, and of course they will be having a 5G capacity, which I am excited about. And as I played with the OnePlus 7 Pro, I feel that it's much more refined. The display looks so good that I am stunned. I don't even know how they made this display, but it's amazing. It didn't even win. Samsung doesn't even come close to it. I don't know how, but it's amazing. And basically the other things are the matte black variant and other variants. There will be a dual painting colors nowadays, and this will look amazing because the OnePlus 7 Pro camera and the OnePlus 7 Pro OnePlus 7 phone look amazing in whatever color they will be put on. And it's a bit bigger. It will be coming on 6.4 inches or more than that. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys liked it, and of course if you liked it, subscribe to my channel. I'm in beautiful Guwahati right now and this place is one of my besties, and there you can see a boat. I'm not gonna go there, but still I'm just so happy you guys. And of course subscribe to my channel. Once again I'm telling you this, and of course follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook wherever I post that stuff, and the links are down below. Inspire me, you guys, inspire me with your ideas. What video should I make next? So thank you guys for this, and of course this is Manjeet and peace out.